equipped with a folding glass wall so that you can have indoor-outdoor living with the patio and the dining room. So I'm going to show you how to work it because it's a little bit different. To unlock the door, you just take the knob and you turn it towards yourself, and then this will release. You can use this as a regular door, or you can open up the glass wall. I'm going to show you first how to lock it because it's different. You take the handle and you push it all the way up and you turn the knob away from you. You'll know that it's locked because it won't open anymore. So now I'm going to show you how to fold back the wall. You open the door, and each of these panels simply slides to the door. Now you need to make sure it's all the way, and then there's a little latch up here that latches it to the top, and it just swings open like this. You do the same thing with this other panel. Slide it. Make sure it's all the way. Reach the latch. Not all the way. Reach the latch, and it slides open. And you have this wonderful outdoor living.